Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS Radeon RX 7600 Dual EVO OC graphics card. So friends, the ASUS has launched Radeon RX 7600 Dual EVO graphics card and the EVO series, which features a slightly updated cooler design, while the ASUS first EVO card is Radeon RX 7000 series, and the design was already adapted for the 7700 and 7800 series. All through those are models not part of the so-called EVO refresh, and the new RX 7600 Dual EVO OC card reaching up to 2750 MHz in OC mode, 2695 MHz in default mode. It's their software overclocking profile implemented in GPU Tweak 3 software. This means you use this software, and however, this is the highest frequency advertised by ASUS and the frequency that will officially, and the RX 7600 non-XT is AMD's slowest desktop GPU based on RDNA 3 architecture, and user get Navi 33 GPU with full 2048 core count, but the board power limited to 165 watts. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.